16.5 million. You can have this modern house here in Angeles City. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. Hi, good morning everyone. I am John Kevin Paunel and we're going to tour this modern contemporary house here in Savannah Green Plains, which is located at Barangay Cuayan, Angeles City. So this modern house has 3 bedrooms, 1 maid's room, 3 toilet and bathroom, and 1 powder room. This also has a 2-vehicle car garage and other notable features which we will discuss along the way. But before we proceed on the further details of this house, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated for more upcoming videos. So without any further ado, let's begin the tour. So Angeles City area is one of the best places that you want to invest your property. So ito pong nasa likod po natin, isa sa po sa mga pinakamagandang bahay po na pwede po nating tour ngayon. So as you can see, the facade, the design is rustic. Look at the wall outside, yung fence po natin. So meron po siyang modern rustic design that gives very relaxing vibe. And this property comes with a approximately 270 square meters floor area. And before we proceed or we enter the unit, let's discuss a little further about the details of the facade. So yun nga, that's a rustic design. And as you can see, we have this massive main gate and also our pedestrian gate. And I really like the design because it has like a wooden texture. Pagkatapos po yung slope ng ating passage or our main entry point sa ating car garage. So paangat po siya. It is typically normal po. Then we have our balcony upstairs. As you can see, it has a glass railing and papansin din po natin, we also have CCTV. So we already entered the unit and we counted all the CCTVs. Probably it has 7 to 8 CCTVs inside, and also we will discuss a little further dun sa interior. So nakita na po natin, we have this gate and also we have our mailbox here. Tapos napansin ko na rin po yung mga outdoor lights po natin. Actually paggabi po, napakagandang tignan po niyan. Which is a warm light po siya tapos gabi. So you will really appreciate it. And of course we have a doorbell here. And pasok po tayo sa ating pedestrian gate and let's discuss yung some of the details. Tara po, let's go. So as we enter, so napansin ko agad po dito yung ating, of course, main hallway which is going to our entry point sa ating main door. Naka-tiles na po siya. Even our car garage po, may tiles na rin po siya. So napakadaling linisin po. Just in case, so hindi naman po na-maximize po or lahat po ng area dito nalagyan na po ng tiles. So there are some areas, katulad po nito, which you can see na meron pong stone pathway. You can set up this as your basic landscaping. Well, it's up to you dun sa mga kahit papano. Gusto pa po nilang may mga area pa rin po na pwede po nilang pagtamnan ng mga halaman. So yeah, nabanggit po natin that we have this 2-vehicle car garage. As you can see, napaka-massive niya. This can fit yung SUVs po. Kasi yung iba po, yung carport nila, it can accommodate 2 carport pero hindi ganun kalakihan. So parang isang SUV, sedan, or a compact car. Pero dito po, hindi tinipid yung space. Meron ka pang space actually for a motorcycle. And then of course, we have our drain here, a faucet, and of course, outside, yes, an electrical outlet just in case. So kung bibilangin po natin, we have 1, 2, 3 electrical outlet. Yung ating ceiling sa ating carport sa WPC with pin lights, and we have a CCTV over here, the top, and of course doon. So dito sa front po, 3. Isa po dito facing sa ating main gate, and one dun sa area na po yun kung saan nakatutok sa ating pedestrian gate. And dito po, na nag-oversee sa total area ng ating car garage. Of course, check naman po natin yung dito sa gilid naman po. Dito naman sa area na to, I can say that the setback is probably or estimated mga nasa 1.8 meter setback space. So napakaluwang. Kaya meron ka pang space po dito which you can set up as your plant box. Yes, extended dun sa ating pinakalikuran. Although most of the areas here are may mga tiles na. Paved na siya. And by the way, we have an access to our, of course, storage area. Unfortunately, we cannot access kasi nakalock po siya. But at least we have ideas kung ano po yung mga available ano po dito, mga features that. Yung sa second floor actually extended siya which serves as the canopy. May konting lilim po din pag umulan, hindi masyadong papasok po yung tubig or mababasa yung pinto. So, proceed tayo dito sa pinakalikod. Meron po tayong yung backyard po natin dito. Paved na rin or may tiles po siya. Sabi ko nga po, there are some areas na binigyan pa rin po ng space para just in case maglagay po sila ng mga halaman. Actually, pwede ko dito mga grotto. There are some clients po, they prefer to build a grotto somewhere at the backyard. So may mga ganun po. Tapos, ito po area na to, this can serve as your barbecue area, service area, well, it's up to you. Perfect for hanging clothes, of course. Tapos, napansin ko din, yung wall niya, napakataas. Masukat, probably mga nasa 10 feet, I guess, the height. Tapos, we have a CCTV right at this corner. Kung saan kitang-kita po ito pong area na ito. Just in case you went out of town and then you just want to monitor kung ano na pong nangyayari po dun sa inyo pong bahay, makikita niyo po. So, 3 sa harap, isa po dito sa likod. So, mga 4 na yun in total. And this is our lanai area which is connected sa ating main kitchen. And right after we enter the unit, so madidiscuss po natin yan further. Napansin ko lang po yung ating glass door. Tinted din po sila. And of course, we have our dirty kitchen. Some of my clients prefer to say, this is a utility kitchen. So yeah, may tiles po siya. Pagkatapos, we have our stainless steel sink. This faucet, namumove po siya or na-adjust. And we have trays dito. Just in case na you wash your glass, your plates, so lagay mo siya dito, napapatuloy mo na. Tapos may mga modular cabinets po tayo dito. And of course, this sliding glass window which serves as a pass-through. Kung halimbawa nagluluto ka dito, for example, you have your stove here, you don't want to cook inside your house, instead sa loob, so dito na lang. Tapos, iaabot mo na lang dun sa loob. So, nagsaserve siya as pass-through. And meron tayong outlet po dito. Just in case that you want to use any electrical device for cooking or you want to charge phone, sandito ka sa likod, yeah, you can use that. And yeah, meron pa tayong outlet dito and the faucet. Actually, kung ganyan kataas yung faucet po natin, intended siya, I guess, sa mga washing machine. Tapos we have the drain here. Tapos, another service area po dito. So may mga nakaabang po siya na pipe. Wala po siyang mga toilet po. So I can say na it's up to the buyer. Dun sa, kung sino man nanood doon, if you are the buyer, it's up to you on how will you use this area. You can use this as service area, storage, or convert it as your toilet and bath. So, depende po sa inyo po siya. Yan, nakita na po natin yung exterior details. So, please bear with us. At medyo malaki po yung property na tinutour po natin. Now, pasok naman po tayo sa loob, pero doon tayo sa main door. Before we enter the unit, so napansin ko din po dito yung exterior na fluted panel which gives an accent and complements to the gray color ng ating facade dito. Tapos yeah, you can see that panel window there and a CCTV. And of course, I really like the design of the door. Ito po yung isa sa mga notable features of this property. Meron po siyang smart lock dito. The design of the door, this is a solid wood door. I'm not sure what kind of materials they use on this door, pero maganda po siya. Hindi po siya yung plain na color kasi they give a black accent color here. Pagkatapos, yung ating doorstep, of course, elevated po siya. And now, ito yung sa mga pinakaabangan ng karamihan, let's tour inside the unit. Tara, let's go. As we enter the unit, ito yung isa sa mga gusto kong klaseng design or layout. Well, it's just my preference kasi open concept layout po siya. Pag masyado kasing marami mga partition or mga corners, medyo parang lumiliit po yung floor space. But in this case, talagang pinag-isipan po nung nag-design ng property na to or ng house na ito. Kita niyo po yung every angle. It's like na-appreciate mo yung every detail in each corner of the units. Of course, as we enter, we will be greeted by the formal living area. Wala man tayong gamit po dito. Well, it's up to the buyer kung anong klaseng gamit po yung bibilin po nila or the living area set. But we have already here the TV console, which is attached sa cabinet. Yan. And then the design, tingnan nyo po. Napakaganda po niya. And napansin ko rin po dito sa ating living area, we have a CCTV over there. We have abang sa ating split type aircon. Yung ating bintana rin po pala, meron po siyang screen just in case you open one side, tapos siyempre baka may pumasok na insekto. You have this screen to protect from insects entering inside your house. And of course, yung height floor to ceiling estimated mga at least 9 feet po siya. And I really like the main lights dito sa ating living area kung saan it gives warm lights. Like galing ho kayo outside, pagod kayo from your work, then pag uwi nyo, yung combination po ng color inside, it gives a relaxing vibe na talagang doon pa lang, it will rejuvenate your energy, di ba? And then we have the electrical outlet over here, so near our main door. Pagkatapos po, as we proceed, meron po tayong massive mirror to. So this is just a design, of course, kung saan ito pong massive mirror, parang nagbibigay siya ng illusion na kung saan mas lumalawak po yung ating floor space dito sa ground floor. Tapos, we have this interior fluted panel that gives accent to the wall, kaya hindi siya masyadong boring. Napansin ko rin po dito, we have an accent ceiling, cove lighting, the drop lights. Isa yan sa mga notable features of this unit. Meron na rin po tayong outlet dito, and of course, our switches. Then, pag-proceed po natin dito sa air na to, this is one of the favorite part of dun sa mga cooking master po dyan. So, we have this island counter and very minimalist na drop lights dito. So, very cozy yung area na to. Gaganahan ka talaga na magluto or to prepare your food. Pagkatapos, yes, we have our cabinet here, mga modular cabinets. Napansin ko actually, tinesting na po namin kanina. Soft closing po siya. Diba? Subukan natin. Ayan o. Malalaman mong soft closing kasi pag pinersa mo siya, bago po yun magsara, pipigil muna para hindi siya bumagsak talaga. Anyway, so ganun na rin po sa lahat po ng mga ano po natin dito, mga cabinets, drawers. Soft closing po siya. We have this double stainless steel sink with tray and adjustable faucet dito. Hindi lang natin na tanong if this is a hot and cold faucet. Anyway, in this area naman, we have this range hood and gas stove na pwede nyo po magamit, of course. Kaya ready na po talaga yung ating kitchen. The countertop is a granite counter. We have a outlet dito, so one. So tatlong outlet na magagamit nyo just in case you have a oven toaster. You put it over here and then gamitin nyo po siya. Tapos, we have space for refrigerator. Actually, yung ganitong space, kaya niya yung mga, it can fit a double door refrigerator. Tapos may mga cabinet pa tayo dito for pantry area. Okay. So, nakita na po natin yung ating ground floor details. And now, let's proceed over here sa ating staircase. But before we go upstairs, unfortunately, this area, nakalock po kasi siya. But this one is the powder room. So, yan is just in case na you want to use the toiletries, so dito po siya. And pag-usapan po natin yung ating staircase. I really like the design. I can say that when you use a glass railing, this will give you an assumption na talagang napaka-premium kasi very rare lang naman po sa mga houses that we offer sa mga previous houses natin na gumagamit po ng glass railing. Usually, mga steel railing siya or concrete yung side. Pero dito po, this is a glass railing.
Tapos, with wood handrail, 1 meter wide yung ating staircase with the solid wood stair threads. Napakaliit lang naman yung riser natin. And napansin nyo po yung black po doon. Actually, we tested that. Ano po yan? Assisting light sensored. Paggabi po, subukan natin Ayun, may ilaw po siya. Kaya pag pinatay nyo po yung lights po dito paggabi, at least meron ako kayo magagamit po dito for guidance. Dun sa medyo malalabo po yung mata. And we have a two-way switch dito. Yan, of course. Ayun, we have the chandelier dito sa ating staircase. Okay, so let's check naman po yung mga rooms which is upstairs. Tara. Yeah, so as we go upstairs, isa sa mga napansin ko dito, we have this massive fixed window which gives natural lighting, and I really like the chandelier dito. Kaya it gives a premium vibe. And yeah, dito naman po sa ating second floor, similar po yung tiles na ginamit pagdating sa ground floor. It's just 60 by 60 porcelain floor tiles. The height floor to ceiling is approximately mga nasa 9 feet po siya, ganun. And yeah, in this area, ito naman po yung ating family area. So meron po tayong lighting dito. We have this sa fluted panel. Ano siya? Wood materials po siya. At meron tayong abang po dito ng aircon. You can set up your recreational area dito. Sofa, television, tapos may mga awning type window tayo dito. And I really also like the cove lighting dito. May mga pin lights tayo. At saka yung CCTV natin, meron po dito. And right before we access the available rooms, dito na muna po tayo sa balcony. So let's open this one. Right at this balcony, kagaya po nung sa ating staircase, we also use this glass baluster. I really also like the rustic wall tile cladding dito. Meron pa siyang outdoor lights. Kaya isa yun sa mga nakita natin dito sa ating fence po natin. We have this ceiling, the WPC ceiling. Pagkatapos, medyo malapad po yung space dito sa ating balcony. Siguro mga nasa 1.8 meters yung setback po niya. And then, same din, kung ano po yung setback dito sa ating frontage. And even at the side of the balcony, mga nasa 1.8 meters din po siya. Kaya just in case medyo sawa na ho kayo doon magkwentuhan sa family area niyo po, you have your balcony kung saan ano naman po para maiba, you can have your coffee here while overlooking yung mga view dito, or mga gusto nyo mag-relax, mag-isip-isip, magmuni-muni. And dito po siya extended yung ating balcony. Now let's check the available rooms inside. So we've already mentioned that we have available 3 bedrooms here. So dito muna po tayo sa bedroom 1. So this bedroom 1, I believe this is the master's bedroom. Yung mga pintuan na ginamit po dito, they have the same design, this linings and accent color. Yung ating door jamb, it's a steel door jamb with door handle. Let's go inside. Sabi ko nga po, I believe this is the master's bedroom kasi ito yung may parang pinakamalaking space. And of course, usually, siya yung merong yung accessible nasa harap or accessible dun sa ating balcony. And makikita niyo po that they used a, ano po dito, tile planks. Ayan, pahaba po siya. It's like meron po siyang wooden texture. The height, floor to ceiling, mga nasa 9 feet din po. And also, ito yung sa mga nagustuhan natin. Talagang nakakadagdag po ng aesthetics yung if you are using a fluted panel, tapos you have this wall niche, it gives like outer glow na warm lights. Then also, it complements to the wall dito sa upper layer kung saan rustic design po niya. And then, we have awning type window over here, a fixed window dito. And this massive 2-panel sliding glass window, I guess. Pagkatapos, may screen siya. And another awning type window in this area. Then, yung light na ginamit po dito is also napakaganda ng light. May mga pin lights po tayo for each corner. Tapos, we have abang dun sa ating split type aircon. Outlet, if we will count all the outlets, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrical outlet. And napansin ko, may switch dito. I guess this is the switch for the outer glow. Yan. Yan. So yeah, ito nga yung control switch niya. And let's check this area. Pagpunta po natin dito, ito po yung ating walk-in closet, di ba? Built-in walk-in closet, floor to ceiling na siya. May mga drawers. Let's check if this is soft closing din siya. And we have a cabinets with a lots of compartment inside. Kaya hindi nyo naiisipin yung pagbili po ng mga cabinets kasi they already built it here. And of course, ito po yung ensuite toilet and bath. Very spacious ensuite toilet and bath. It uses a premium toilet seat. Tapos we have a vanity sink and a modular cabinet here. Floor to ceiling wall tile cladding with accent wall dito sa ating shower area. And we have this shower wall niche. You can place your toiletries. We have the drinks. And para siyang hotel kasi meron siyang dito, cove lighting na warm lights. So yeah. And of course, we have for like towel or clothesline dito sa area na to. Hindi ko nabanggit yung ating water closet, I believe. The water closet, it also has a bidet. And of course, meron siyang mirror po dito in front of the vanity sink. So we have already checked our bedroom number, which is the master's bedroom. And let's check the remaining 2 bedrooms. Yung remaining 2 bedrooms na itutour po natin is right after you go upstairs, just turn to the right. Ito na po yung mga remaining rooms po natin. So this is the bedroom number 2. As we go inside, I can say that halos similar po siya ng space when it comes to the bedroom number 1. Hindi natin nabanggit kanina, no? Para lang ma-imagine po ng ating mga audience. Yung mga rooms po natin, I can say that it can fit a king-size bed. Kasi napakalaki po nung floor space po natin dito sa mga rooms natin. If I can give you an estimate dimension, probably it has 1, 2, mga nasa 3x4. 3x4 meters po. And we have this indoor fluted panel with outlet here. Just in case gusto nyo magpalagay po ng TV. Napansin ko din, yung each room po, may mga cove lighting tayo dito. And of course, meron siyang walk-in closet. Although hindi siya same size no ating master's bed. But this is actually fair enough. May mga drawer po siya and of course built. Ano siya? Floor to ceiling na. We also have this ensuite toilet and bath. Hindi rin po siya kasing laki ng ating master's bed. I guess this has also have a decent size. Tapos we have the mirror, vanity sink, our water closet with bidet, the shower area, floor to ceiling na po yung tiles. We have this air vents and wall niche. The combination of the wall tile cladding, it really complements each other. So gray pagkatapos white na meron pong marble texture. So, nakita na po natin yung bedroom number 2. Let's now proceed to the final bedroom, which is the bedroom number 3. Let's go. So dito na tayo papunta or we'll go inside the bedroom number 3. So sa pagpasok po natin dito, I can also say that the bedroom number 3 is much bigger dun sa bedroom number 2. Although all rooms can fit a king-size bed. So ibig sabihin, spacious talaga siya. Malaki. Pagkatapos po, they also have the same fluted panel dito. We have this outlet, rustic wall design, same tiles they use, and the height floor to ceiling, kagaya po na muna sa 9 feet. They also have this cove lighting. Yun nga lang dito, isa lang yung kanyang window. Unlike dun sa ating master's bed. Pero at least, decent space. It gives you comfortability. And bawat rooms po master's bedroom, bedroom number 2 and 3, they have this walk-in closet and also the ensuite toilet and bath. So, hindi na masyadong i-discuss kasi same lang naman po nung sa bedroom number 2. Pero ito nga po, gaya po na nabanggit po natin, the design of the toilet and bath doon sa bedroom number 2 is also the same here in bedroom number 3. We have the vanity sink, the water closet, shower area, air vents, and everything. Floor to ceiling yung ating wall tile cladding. So, yeah, I guess finally natapos na rin po natin yung ating house tour inside this modern house located in Angeles City. let's go outside and let's talk about the other details. Nag-enjoy po ako sa ating house tour. By the way, if you have any questions or other details that you are interested or you want to ask, please don't hesitate to comment our comment section on this video below. By the way, yung price po pala nito is mga nasa 16.5 million. So, other details like what I've said, I will mention it on our description box. What are the advantage of having this property? Tandaan po natin, nabanggit ko po, nasa Angeles City po siya. It is very close, New Clark International Airport. There are nearby malls like SM City Clark, Telbastagan, Nepo Mall, and other major establishments. Actually, ito po yung location kung saan this is a favorite place for retirees, foreigners. So, if you are interested in this property and you want to visit this, please contact us on our social medias, which we will indicate on our description box or also in our video. Once again, this is your host, John Kevin Paunel. See you on the next video. God bless everyone.